today, Brewster?
We're building a new station, and I'm going to get some welding training.
Train-tastic!
Yeah, I can't wait.
The old silver mine line.
Okay, Brewster, let's see if you remember what I taught you last time. Watch me weld these two pieces together.
I'm ready.
Kind of a problem, Zach. These are too long.
Oh, no. It's too late to get new ones, Fletch. We'll have to cut them down. I'll make a start.
But what about welding practice?
Sorry, Brewster. It'll have to wait.
Thanks, Pete. Next stop, the new station. Ooh, I wonder what they're going to name it.
All yours, Fletch.
Brewster.
Oh, sorry, Fletch. Oops. What's the station going to be named, Zach?
We still need to think of something.
Let us know if you have any bright ideas.
Oh, okay. Will do. How about calling it the new station?
But it won't be new for long.
Brewster, I need some space, please.
Oh, sorry. I know. The country station.
There are already a lot of country stations. Keep thinking, Brewster. Okay, Zach. Time to put all the uprights into place.
Zach, can I try the welder if you're not using it?
Sorry, Brewster. You'll just get under everybody's wheels here.
I could practice on that old line by the water tower over there.
And I haven't taught you much other than how to use the welder safely.
You always say that the best way to learn is by doing.
Yes, it's true, I do. Oh, go ahead.
Wow. How long have I got?
Tell you what, when I need the welder again, I'll honk.
Got it. Thanks, Zach. I'll be listening.
Just for you.
Thanks, Koko. Just in time.
Where's Brewster?
Not bad. Oh. Maybe something bigger. Oops. Just the thing. Perfect for practicing.
There you are! Wow, look at this train-tastic old line. Where does it go?
Don't know.
Come on, let's go exploring.
But I'm kind of busy.
It'll only take 2 clickety-clacks.
I suppose I might find more things to weld. Okay, wait for me. Didn't sound right. Slow down, Koko.
What's happening? Brewster, we're trapped!
Honking horns. That's Zach. I need to get back.
With a bit of luck, we might just finish building this station on time. Now, where's Brewster with my welding wagon?
I had to get back. Zach needs this wagon.
I have to get back, too. I have a passenger run later. Where are you going?
To look for another way out of here.
Wait for me! We'll soon be free. We'll soon be back to work. We'll soon be... back to where we started?
Oh, it was a loop.
Brewster.
Zach really wants the welder back. Honking horns! The welder!
Huh?
I can weld the old rail!
Fantastic, Brewster!
Easy does it. Ugh. Something's not right. It must need more heat. More everything. It worked!
Looks good.
I did it! I think. As solid as a rock. Your turn, Koko.
Okay. Here goes. It worked! Great job, Brewster!
Brewster! Koko, why did you come down the old silver mine line?
Silver mine?
Yeah, it closed years ago when the silver ran out.
Sorry, Zach. We got trapped, and I had to do some emergency welding.
Really?
He did an amazing job. Come and see.
Hey, that's not bad. Not bad at all.
Thanks, Zach.
Now, come on. We've got a station to finish.
Oh, yeah. What's it going to be called?
Oh, we haven't come up with a name yet.
Ooh, I know. How about Silver Hopper Station?
Silver Hopper Station? Brewster, that's awesome!
Cool! I could restore this old hopper, and we could put it on a station roof.
Go for it!
We did it!
Not bad, if I do say so myself.
First-rate job, Chuggineers. Okay, Brewster, that just leaves one thing.
I declare Silver Hopper Station open!
Free hops for Brewster!